very excited in showing you how to make Spanish chicken soup. Anybody can make it. It doesn't take that long and it's very delicious. So let's get started. These are your basic ingredients you're going to need in making my delicious Spanish chicken soup. Today I'm using Mazzarino Tony pasta. It's very famous from Italy. Barilla makes it. Garlic paste, Goya broth from Goya, 2 cans of tomato sauce from Goya, 3 fresh onions, green pepper, 2 little boxes of lentil soup. I love the broth, it's very delicious. And Sazon Goya, using about 7 to 8 packages. Fresh potatoes, and then we're gonna add the chicken, put it together, make Spanish delicious chicken soup. I just added 16 cups of water because I'm cooking for a lot of people today. I'm gonna set the heat on medium. I'm just gonna cover it and wait till it starts boiling, then I'm gonna add the chicken and the ingredients. Today I'm gonna add 7 legs and thighs, and I usually cut it right in the middle. I'm gonna continue to cut each leg and thigh right in the middle, and I'm gonna add it to the pot. Now that it's nice and boiling, I'm gonna add 3 cans of Goya tomato sauce. I already cut them in half. 7 pieces of leg and thigh. Fresh chicken. 4 packages of lentil soup. I basically use them because I love the broth. The broth, it gives it a great taste. Then I'm going to add 4 packages of the Goya chicken broth. It comes in little packages. The 9 packages of Goya Sazon. Little Goya Sazon to give it a great taste. Then I'm going to add 2 green peppers and 4 onions. I cut them in half, but this one left whole. I'm also going to add 7 tablespoons of garlic paste, which gives it a great taste, very good for you. Stir it really well. I just added the water. I have it set on medium. I'm going to cover it. Wait till it starts boiling, then I'm going to add the potatoes. I'm cooking the potatoes and the pasta separate, and then I'm going to put it all together. Now that it's been boiling, I'm going to add the potatoes. Now we're just going to give it a good 20 to 25 minutes and it should be cooked. Now the potatoes are ready. Nice and soft. They break easily. Now we're just going to drain them. Now we're just going to drain the potatoes. Now I'm just going to cook the pasta. well. The rest of it. I usually don't cover the pasta because if you cover it, it'll get all over the place. So it's better to leave it uncovered. Just shake it. Make sure it's not sticking. Shake it for about a minute or two. It's pretty good. And just let it cook for about 20 minutes. And it should be ready. Now the pasta is ready. Let me just try it real quick. It should be not too soft, not too hard. It's ready. It's al dente. Now we're just gonna drip the water out of the pasta. Now it's been actually 50 minutes that the chicken soup has been cooking. Now it's ready. See, it's very delicious. Everything came out nice and cooked. Now again, I want to remind you that the potatoes and the pasta, I cook it separate and then I put it together. Doesn't that look good? Now I'm just gonna add the pasta, the potatoes, and the broth and the chicken. And here you got it, delicious Spanish chicken soup. Please don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and thank you for watching.